Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Located just on the other side of the Mississippi River from St. Louis, in Alton, Illinois, sits a curious and playful structure. But what is it? Let's find out. The Haskell family was one of the wealthiest families in Alton during the late 1800s. Dr. William Haskell lived in the house next door with his wife Florence Haskell. In 1880, the Haskells would be blessed with a baby girl that they would name Lucy. On Lucy's 5th birthday, her parents commissioned famed architect Louis Pfeiffenberger to design a playhouse for Lucy. Pfeiffenberger began planning the playhouse to be just as extravagant as the mansions that he created all across the Midwest. But this time, the house would be very small. The playhouse would be planned to have a footprint of 16 by 14 feet and contain only one room. He added large front porches and back porches to the playhouse, as well as decorative brackets, gingerbreading, stained glass, a widow's walk, and everything else required by the Queen Anne stick style. Lucy loved dolls, so he designed a large wall cabinet with glass pane doors for her to store all of her favorite dolls and toys. On July 29, 1885, the playhouse had been completed and was gifted to Lucy for her 5th birthday. This was a huge event. Mrs. Haskell invited all of the town's children to come play and take pony rides around the property. Lucy would enjoy her playhouse for the rest of her life until she succumbed to a fatal infection at the age of only 9 years old. The Haskells were absolutely heartbroken. Upon Florence's death, in her will, she surprised the city of Alton, Illinois, by donating the family's mansion, playhouse, and 6.4 acres of their property to the city for the town's children to enjoy. She wanted the playhouse to be open to the public as a park where families could bring their children and create fun memories as a family. Today, the playhouse still stands in memory of Lucy Haskell and can be visited year-round. Thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.